Video is important for your jewelry store to grow your social awareness, and it's getting bigger and bigger. Almost every single one of your customers and potential customers has one of these, and the quality of the video is amazing. So I understand it really is difficult to compete with all that great content that's out there. But here's how you can do it. First off, and most importantly, have a great story to tell in 90 seconds or less. This can be a neat story about something that's happened to you in the store, or a service that you provide, or even what your shop is making this week. I suggest make a long list of all of the things you could possibly talk about. And don't worry about being unique or talking about a service that just you provide. It's not about the uniqueness. It's about who's telling the story, and you're going to tell it. Your mobile phone is just fine for shooting, especially if it's a newer model. Heck, it's probably a better camera than most of the pro cameras were 10 years ago. And with the following hints, you can produce great video quality without the need for expensive equipment. Stabilization is important. If you're holding your phone in your hand and it looks like an earthquake, your viewers will quickly move on to other content. Stabilization can be cheap and simple. I bought this little gizmo at Walmart for 12 bucks. It expands 4 feet to the floor, or I can simply put it on a countertop. Try to avoid your overhead Canon fluorescent lights if possible. They're pretty for jewelry, but they're hideous for video. They can create shadows in your eye sockets and kind of make you look like you're about to go trick-or-treating or tell a scary ghost story. Rather, try to find a large, soft source, like your front windows after the sun has moved past them. See how much prettier this light is? It gives a softer, more intimate look for your videos. It'll make them look very nice and professional. Next, you need great audio. If I stand this far away from the phone, no matter how great of a phone you have, the audio is terrible. Now, if I get up nice and close like this, the audio gets a lot better, but who wants to see this close? Rather, pick up a Samsung Go mic. It's a wireless lavalier style system that works with all mobile devices. It has a receiver that also holds the phone in your stand, and it just connects right to your phone's audio jack. There you have it. That's how to create great social media videos and content for your jewelry store. Email me if you have any questions, and so we can get you going on training your team weekly with training videos from jewelrystoretraining.com. We're just here to make your jewelry store grow.
Train your team!